In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design beautiful presentations in Google Slides. Creating visually appealing presentations can make a significant difference in communicating your ideas more effectively. Whether you're working on a school project, a business presentation, or just for personal use, Google Slides offers numerous tools to help make your slides stand out. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Slides. You can do this by typing Google Slides into your browser's search bar and selecting the appropriate link. Once you're there, you'll want to sign into your Google account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create an account with just a few simple steps. This will give you access to all the tools and features that Google Slides has to offer. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll find a variety of templates already available for you to choose from. This is where you get to be a bit creative. Browse through the selection and pick a template that best fits the tone and purpose of your presentation. If you're aiming for something professional, there are plenty of clean and sleek designs. Alternatively, if your presentation is more creative or personal, there are fun and vibrant templates to choose from. Selecting a template is a great starting point because it provides an overall style that you can then customize. Now that you have your template, it's time to focus on the content and design details. Start by using consistent fonts throughout your presentation. Google Slides offers a wide range of fonts, and using them consistently helps maintain a professional and cohesive look. It's generally a good idea to stick to 2 to 3 different fonts, one for headers, another for body text, and possibly one more for special accents. Images can greatly enhance your presentation's appeal. You can add images by selecting the Insert menu option and choosing Image. You can upload photos from your computer by URL, Google Photos, or even use the built-in Google image search to find relevant and high-quality images. Be sure to use images that are clear and support the message you're trying to convey. Finally, consider the balance between text and images on each slide. You want to ensure that your slides are not overloaded with information, yet remain informative and engaging. This balance helps keep your audience focused and makes your presentation more enjoyable to view. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating beautiful and effective presentations in Google Slides. Play around with the different features and take your time to experiment with styles until you find what looks best to you. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with Google Slides, the possibilities for creativity are nearly endless. Happy designing!